Alright, looks like the lighting is super bad, but so this is what we're doing today. Basically, we're going to make a dry rot water damaged drywall repair. So I'm probably going to have to take out all this drywall right here and do it really nicely. So I'm not sure how extensive it's going to get. We'll find out soon enough. As I start getting into it, we'll know. I'll know a little more about what really needs to be done. But let's get it going. So look, I'm getting ready to do the demo, and so basically I wanted to just demonstrate the way that I do demo in this situation. I use the reciprocating saw or sawzall, and I don't go straight in and then just cut down. Even though there doesn't appear to be anything here, plumbing or electrical, I still come in at an angle like this, and I just plunge just barely deep enough to be cut through the drywall, and then I go ahead and make my cut that way. At no point do I ever change the angle and start ripping through like that. You could potentially hit something and then you end up regretting it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the demo, and I'll get back with you once I have the drywall off. We'll go ahead and take a look at the framing, and then we can assess what studs need to be taken out and replaced. And I'll see you guys shortly. Okay, so I got this thing demoed, and it turns out that there wasn't a lot of dry rot, so we only had to replace a couple things. But nevertheless, we had to open up the wall to be able to find that out. So I'm going to go ahead and just nail off everything that was reframed and replaced. There you go, that's it. It's pretty much ready to hang. Okay, time to hang it. Put screws 8 inches on the perimeter and 12 inches on the floor. Here in Southern Cal, that's pretty much the code. And that's the minimum. So some of you guys may think it's too much, but the truth is, when it comes to quality, I would say too much is not really a factor. Now when hanging this rip on this windowsill, you want to push the board as tight as you can up against the windowsill. That way you have the smallest amount of gap to fill. You're gonna appreciate not having to do all that extra. Because it's got to have a finished edge on it. Okay, I need to change my battery, so I'm going to be right back. Okay, I'm back. And turns out the battery that I have here is dead as well. So I will be going to be playing this game with the battery here. 1 minute charge. 1 minute of charge for, and then I got to exchange the battery out again. So it'll probably get me through what I need to do without. So I'm just going to go for it. And then this guy. Gonna use this tool right here. It's called a rasp. So you guys all know it's just to clean up the edge. That way I have a nice, flush board up against this window. Pretty important. So I got all those screws for 1 minute of charge. So now I got like 3 minutes of charge. I should be able to get by, but that's what happens when you don't prepare yourself and charge your batteries when you go to bed. Oh, thank God we don't have a lot of board to hang. Not too much. Okay, and that one is that. So this guy goes. How are we going to go this way? Here we go. All right. Yeah, unfortunately, I will be going to the Home Depot. Because I don't have no corner gate on this job. So. Almost got it. When sinking your screws, well, make sure you don't break the paper. And yeah, you don't want to break the paper, but you do want to go deeper. So. All right, I think we're ready for tape and corner bead and all that. So I'm going to go to the Home Depot. I'll be right back, and we'll get this thing buttoned up for today. Okay, I'm back from the Home Depot. I got the corner bead up. Everything's taped up both sides, inside corners, and so the reason why that I tape up inside the corner bead, even though it's screwed on, is because you're just going to get a better first coat. The mud sticks to the mesh tape a lot better than just a smooth flat surface. These little holes that you see right here, all those little holes, yeah, that's going to help grip the mud onto the corner bead, but with the mesh tape application, you're just going to get a much better first coat. So that's the reason why I do it on all my metal. Unless I'm taping on paper face or corner bead, then there's no need for that. Another thing that I'd like to point out is that when you install corner bead like this around corners where there's two, you always want to make sure that there's no lippage, and you will hear a clicking noise. You'll hear a clicking noise. But you don't there, and that's because, you know, hey, everything lines up nice. We're going to do, alright, here we go. We're going to do final coat. This is going to be just lightweight mud, and I'm going to pull it tight, and that should make this really smooth. Just really dialing in the little details, just trying to make it perfect. You know, it's not perfect until you sand it, but let's do it as perfect as you can make it. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up of what has been done. So yeah. So it took me an hour, 15 minutes to 3-coat it. I've worked way faster and I've worked slower. So always trying to be clean. So there you have it. This window is repaired.